Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 1519 South Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular, one-of-a-kind, updated lakefront home with 165 feet of pristine waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy this private and quiet remodeled waterfront home that has all the character and charm of a vintage cottage. Featuring an expansive first floor with a beam cathedral ceiling great room with a cozy wood stove and a rustic stone wall. Plus beautiful hardwood floors leading to the family room with tongue and groove pine walls, built-ins, and a stone fireplace. All open to the dining area. And white and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. All with an updated full bathroom, laundry, porch access, and breathtaking lake views. Well, the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms, all with wood floors, and an updated full bathroom. Enjoy outdoor living with million-dollar views. On the wraparound screened-in porch with vaulted ceilings, wood floors, and multiple entertaining and even sleeping areas. For the outdoor cooking enthusiast, enjoy a rear porch leading to a back patio with a custom built-in grill and pizza oven. Take outdoor living to the max with a top-of-the-line outdoor shower.
Enjoy the relaxing lake lifestyle with total privacy on almost 2 acres with a waterfront observation deck and 165 feet of pristine waterfront with a shell beach for all your lake activities. South Lake Road is a very special part of Canandaigua Lake. Enjoy the afternoon sun and sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1519 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!